Hello, welcome to KR Business Consulting. Hello, store owners. My name is Ken. Are you looking for a hands-off way to bring in daily foot traffic? We are deploying a fully licensed, secure financial transaction hub for local storefronts. There's absolutely zero upfront cost to you. It is fully compliant, registered with FinCEN, and takes up zero floor space. This handheld unit takes up very little counter space. Every time a customer uses the terminal, your store earns a direct percentage of the transaction volume. More traffic, more cash flow. Your retail location will have a protected zone. Today I am looking for retail locations in California and Texas. Please send an email or contact me on WhatsApp to take the next step to lock in your location. My contact information is in the description area.